Hello, good morning, good evening. We are the Onpassive family here. Why Onpassive is exploring online? It's hard to have true liberty and freedom. Onpassive gives everybody the opportunity to find financial independence and then have that true liberty and freedom and really be able to live the lifestyle you want to. You want to live clean, ethical, honest. This is what Onpassive is, and this is what the founding members of Onpassive are today. Clean, honest, and ethical, and being able to be in a position to find liberty and free to financial independence. It's such a big deal. It's so rare, and Onpassive is one of those rare companies that gives everybody that comes in the opportunity for financial independence and then living the lifestyle you want to live. This is Onpassive. If it was made for you, don't quite know how to explain the business and what Onpassive is going to be doing for you. If you want to see more in-depth stuff about what Onpassive is doing and what they'll do for you, they'll be at the video down below. Goes over Onpassive head to tail, and she just goes into things a little in-depth, a little bit more about Onpassive Unicorn Company, Super Unicorn Company in a year from an individual Ash Mufare. And this is the heart of Ash Mufare that wants to share the wealth and change lives. Onpassive is going to do that. So this is Onpassive, guys. I hope this helps you just very quickly. We are pre-launch right now. We are about ready to go into the executive founders. Ash team had already done that. We'll start changing hands when I going to be able to break anything, and then we'll go into the worldwide launch of Onpassive. Now, the founders executive launch is tied to the global launch of Onpassive. And it's a very short window between the executive founders launch and a global launch of Onpassive, and work was coming into the executive founders launched, by the way. That's a title. I gave it a, she might give it a different title. And if he does, I'll use his title, but the executive founders launch and the worldwide global launch are tied together, and we have to wait until they are synchronized and ready to go before we go into the executive founders launch. When that happens, there's a very short window from the executive founders launch to the worldwide launch. It is Onpassive, and it is going to be an explosion online. Ash has choreographed it is, and it's going to be something amazing to watch. Something that's never been done like this in the history of business. As we think about the launch, we are very close. That's what we are in right now. We are going into the executive founders launch. When that happens, when does Mayor Bear short to go into the worldwide global launch of Onpassive, where there will be an explosion? So you all are in a great place. And again, founders continue to come in volume. The closer we get to the executive founders launch and the worldwide global launch of Onpassive, I believe when we go into the executive founders launch, Katie bar the door, cause people just going to block in. See, you're in a unique position. Onpassive is going to build your business for you. 100% automated. They're going to go to work for you, and then we're actually going to be able to build wealth online. So that's it for today, guys. Take care. Bye. For more information, subscribe to the Onpassive channel and you'll get notifications for more videos. Please subscribe, like and share this video with the ones you love. Digital Future Founder, thanks for watching our videos.